Tom's Car Wash. Oh dear, look at all these burning trees. Thank goodness Hector is on the job putting them out. Nice work. You just have one more, Hector. Yikes, what a mess. We're here, Hector. Follow Tom. He's the king of all things clean. So, Tom, what's the plan this time? Excellent. A good scrubbing should take off most of the soot. Ready to get this smelly soot off, Hector? Nice. I can barely see you under all that soap. I wonder what that one does. Oh, wow! It's a facial! You're going to be so clean, Hector. What's next, Tom? Of course, a nice rinse. You're nearly done now, Hector. We just need to rinse you off. Once you're dry, you'll be finished. You've done it again, Tom. Hector is the cleanest he's ever been. Don't forget your treat, Hector. Ready to get back to work? Bye, Tom. Thanks for all your help. Hey, Hector. Planting some new trees? What a great idea. Bye, Hector. We're glad you're back to your old self. See you later. Bye, friends. See you next time. Tom's Car Wash. Hi, Amber. What's the emergency? You have something all over you, Amber. Are you okay? What? You were having pancakes with Carrie and accidentally knocked over the syrup? Well, accidents happen, Amber. Everyone can be clumsy at times. Better get over to Tom's Car Wash quickly. Syrup can become a sticky mess. Uh-oh. Looks like that sticky syrup is attracting all kinds of debris, Amber. Here we are, Tom's Car Wash. Tom heard your siren, Amber. and he agrees that you need an emergency car wash. He hopes you at least enjoyed your pancakes. What's first, Tom? A water jet for removing the litter. This side is all clear. Now we need to get some of those syrup patches off. You think Tom needs to use extra special soap? You're right. You need to be perfectly clean driving back and forth to the hospital. Good idea, Tom. Use your special squeegee with the rough sponge on it. There, that did the trick. Now to make sure every bit of syrup is off. Are you going to use heavy-duty cleaning supplies on Amber, Tom? Time for some serious suds, Amber. Feels good, doesn't it? Okay, time to get rid of those dirty marks. What's next, Tom? Are you ready, Amber? Does it tickle? Time to rinse off those bubbles. Time to switch on the dryers. It's relaxing to have a blow dry, isn't it, Amber? Is that it, Tom? Have you finished cleaning, Amber? Good idea. A little polish would be nice so that she sparkles when she visits patients. Wow, Amber, you sparkle. You look brand new. No more sticky syrup for you. Amber looks fabulous, Tom. Thanks for everything. Tom thinks you should stay away from pancake syrup for a while, Amber. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Tom's Car Wash. Hi there, baby Tom. You look nice. Just waiting for your dad so you can go out for dinner? You must really love that bubble gum. Better be careful, though. Those bubbles can get very sticky when they burst. Uh-oh. Your dad doesn't look too pleased, baby Tom. Looks like you're going to need some cleaning up before you go anywhere. What's first, Tom? The sprinkler to get baby Tom wet? That makes sense. Now what, Tom? Get ready to be soaped up, baby Tom. That tickles, doesn't it? Sponges. Good choice, Tom. If you use brushes, they may get stuck in the gum. There's a familiar sight, baby Tom. A huge bubble. Now you'll need a good rinse. But wait a minute, Tom, there's still a lot of bubble gum on baby Tom. How will you remove it? Oh, you have a new piece of equipment just for this type of sticky mess? You're going to be rolled like pie dough. That's amazing. The bubble gum is gone. Now it's time to be dried off. Last stop, a polish. Guess what, baby Tom? It's bubblegum scent. Good job, Tom. Now baby Tom is ready to go to dinner. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Tom's car wash. Jerry must be practicing for a race, and with a performance like that, he's sure to win. But the judges won't be impressed by all that mud on his paintwork. Don't worry, Jerry. There's still plenty of time for you to go and get clean at Tom's car wash. Hey, Tom. Jerry needs a good wash before his race this afternoon. Can you help? Great. Jerry, you can go inside. Tom will operate the machines from his control room. Let's start by spraying Jerry with some clean water. There's still a lot of mud on Jerry's paintwork. You're going to need a lot of soap to get it off. You're looking more handsome by the minute, Jerry. Time for the rollers to get to work. And now it's time to start scrubbing away those muddy marks. You're right, Tom. The brushes could scratch Jerry's paintwork. You'd better use the sponges. Ready, Jerry? Great job. Oh, hang on a minute. You're going to need to clean your teeth. They're filthy. Stay there, Jerry. Here come the dryers. Now that is a winning smile. Let's get you rinsed and dried. Stay there, Jerry. Here come the dryers. Good idea, Tom. A wax polish will keep Jerry clean during his race. Well, you certainly look like a champion, Jerry. You'd better get back for your race. Well, how about that? The sun has come out. Thank you for your help, Tom. And good luck in the race, Jerry. Hello, Hector. Are you having fun flying today? Uh-oh, Hector. That cloud doesn't look good. Hector, look out! Oh no, Hector. You're so dirty. And you sound sick, too. You need to fly to Tom's car wash right away. Wow, guys, that pizza looks great. What kind is it? Pepperoni? Well, sorry to interrupt your lunch, but Hector the Helicopter needs your help. Here comes Hector now. What's the plan, Tom? How will you get that black soot off Hector? Good idea. Let's see how much of that dirt we can brush off. Wow, that's a lot of dirt. What's next, Tom? Ah, the jets with soap bubbles. That will wash Hector squeaky clean. Hector, you look much better. Oh, but you're still coughing. Tom, Hector is still coughing. I think he breathed in some of the dust. Do you have any ideas? Wow, a steam inhaler. That will make Hector's lungs feel better. Okay, Hector, get ready to breathe deep. That's 1 breath, 2 breaths, 3 breaths. Well done, Hector. So, Hector, how do you feel? That's good. Coughing is no fun. Say, baby Tom, you're coughing too. Do you need the inhaler as well? Baby Tom, how much of that pizza have you eaten? Well, let's get back to Hector. I wonder how he's doing. Now, you just need to rinse and dry off. You like the dryer, don't you? It's almost like flying. Go, Hector, go! Before you go, let's polish your windshield. Now you can see those dirty clouds better and dodge them. Goodbye, Hector. Fly safely now. Great work, Tom. Now you can finish your pizza. Oh no, baby Tom. Did you eat all of the pizza while Tom was gone? Oh, baby Tom. Tom's car wash. Hey, Sam. Wow, you sure do have a lot of snow to plow today. Is that a delicious strawberry milkshake to keep you ice cold? Oh no, Sam. Your milkshake is everywhere. It's going to stick to your wheels. That's exactly what I was afraid of. Who can we ask to help you out of this sticky strawberry mess? Yes, you're right. Tom the tow truck is exactly the truck for the task. Hi, Tom. Hi, baby Tom. You two look busy. Are you having a junk clear out? Well, you might need to take a short break because Sam the snowplow needs some help. He spilt his milkshake and got stuck in the snow. Can you and baby Tom shake him free? Great. Sam's in the playground. Let's get going. Hey, Sam. Wow, this playground has really been tickled pink. Tom and baby Tom are here to help you out of this milkshake mayhem. Great job, Tom. Let's head back to the garage. Baby Tom, let's go. Baby Tom? Come on, baby Tom. Let's go. Have you got an idea, Tom? Great. Ooh, that's something new, Tom. Are those hot towels part of your new cleaning steam room? Okay, now to deal with those nasty pink stains. Can you think of anything that could remove them, Tom? What's in that blue jar, Tom? Great. Your strawberry splatters are gone, Sam. Now you can pick something from Tom's goodie booth. Look, Sam, it's just what you need. A drink hat with silly straws. You'll never spill your drinks again. There you go, Sam. It fits perfectly. It looks like it really works. Delicious cold drinks and no spills. Thanks for your help today, Tom. Until next time.